In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up fast and level up weapons here in Rivals on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to go ahead and do is select weapons down in the little main menu and choose whatever weapon it is that you want to level up and just make sure that you have it equipped overall. Weapon XP is solely based on the weapon that you actually use during the matches. So say for example, like you're using the rifle will level up. If you use, a burst rifle, the burst rifle is going to level up. And same goes for like handguns and of course melee weapons as well. After choosing the weapon that you want, go ahead and just back out and hit play. And you need to play specifically with that weapon. You could do just a standard 2v2, 1v1, whatever it might be. Or you can also play, gun game, team deathmatch, free-for-all, any, game that has weapons. Probably not Spleef 8v8. I know this is a limited time mode, but, I don't think that would work since there's no guns in it. But essentially, once you're in the match, just keep using the weapon it is that you want to upgrade, play till the match ends, because obviously you'll get that weapon XP, and then of course you'll level up as well. But that's going to be really everything you need to know about the process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.